everyone. Today we will visit a special kingdom, the kingdom of English grammar, where the parts of speech live together to make a meaningful sentence.
Hello everyone, I am King of Sentence. Without my helpers I am incomplete. Let me call them one by one.
Good morning, Your Majesty. I am Count. I name the people, things and animals. For example, boy, book, etc.
Foundation.
Thank you.
Hi, hello everyone, I am Pran. Hi, hello everyone, I am Pranav. I replace noun to avoid repetition. Example, he, she, it, they.
Help me take this sentence.
Welcome. Hello, I am Varun. I show action or state of being. Example, run, eat, etc. Without you, verb, no sentence can move.
Hello friends, I am Ajay. I describe noun. Example, tall tree and a plant apple, etc.
You make me look special. Hi, I am adverb. I describe verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. Example, run fast, very happy, speak softly. You tell how I work, thank you.
Preposition. I am preposition. Good day. I relationship between. Example, in and between, etc.
Hello everyone, I am conjunction. I join words and sentence. For example, I, so, but, etc. I am interjection. Wow, hooray, who know I am interjection. I express sudden feelings or emotions.
Together you have helped me to create meaningful sentence.
Let us respect and learn grammar because English is fun when we understand it. We are parts of English. Without us, English cannot be completed.
last